roof wanging with most of the seat up. Hold up. I just got a talking to by that neighbor, and fortunately it worked out well. He was very understanding. He didn't yell or get mouthy, which is good because he has a reputation in this neighborhood of being that neighbor. But he was cool. He was cool. It's a little bit late. Sorry about the weak roof flex. It was my own fault. I waited too long. My amp got too hot. But as a result, I lost all my coins. There's one right there.